Did you know that you can now use AI in order to optimize your health? It can help you learn more about the diet you should be on, it can help you choose insurance plans, and so much more. Or maybe you didn't realize that there's a brand new AI image generator, and you need to make sure that you're using this one because it's by far the best one out right now. It's the most accurate, it makes the most compelling images, and it's also the fastest to use. Well, those two things are absolutely nothing because by the end of this video, you're going to know about 5 new AI tools that you're actually going to use every single day once you try these out. AI tool number 1 is going to be Chat LLM Health. So now when you come into Abacus AI, you click on verticals right here, you're going to see Chat LLM Health, and I'm going to walk you through getting started with it. In addition to that, we can see the Chat LLM Legal is coming soon, and Chat LLM Roleplay is also coming soon. So if we click on Get Started right here, this asks us to go through and give it some basic information. Then we can upload our medical history here, and then also our lifestyle goals. And then this actually sets us up with Chat LLM, which is going to give us personalized guidance for our health. And we could get this to do several things. For example, we could get this to personalize a workout plan, we could get this to generate a diet, or we could get this to understand our lab results. In addition to that, we could actually get this to help us come up with what kind of insurance we should actually be on. So we could say something along the lines of this: can you please help me figure out what insurance I should have based on my medical information, where I am located, and my income. I want to better understand what I should have / what the trade-offs are. Now, what this is going to do is this is actually going to go through, this is going to think, it's then going to ask us a few questions that we'll be able to answer about things like our medical information, where we're located, and our income. We can see right here. And then this is actually going to go through, and this is going to give us a really good response here. And I personally need this because my insurance is insane. I pay an insane amount of money and doesn't really seem like it does anything. So I went through, I'm giving this my income, I'm giving it where I live, and I am giving it other answers to these questions right here. And I'm telling it that I want the lowest cost, but I want to have the worst case covered because that's really what I'm worried about. And then we could see that this is now going through, this is doing this internally, discussing insurance options, it's recommending insurance plans, it's clarifying different options, it's discussing the different preferences right here. And then this is going to go through and give us an incredibly detailed response. So this also wants right here for us to answer these 2 questions right here. And I'm going to say, 1, I'm going to say just me, and 2, I'm going to say no. And then this is going to go through and give me the best response that it possibly can. But we can see right here that this goes off and actually explains things to me in plain English, which is incredibly helpful. Now it's going to go through, it's going to provide different guidance. It's going to recommend a specific plan. It's going to guide me on insurance options and crafting insurance guidance. So it goes through, it recommends that I should actually have this strategy right here. It gives me the trade-offs, gives me what I am really deciding right here, and it tells me what I should actually prioritize in a plan right here. And then I can actually get it to go through and find me a plan. By the way, if you wanted to try Chat LLM for yourself, you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with it today. It's not only going to give you access to Chat LLM, it also gives you access to an AI automation tool that can build you out websites and every LLM imaginable, all from one chat interface. In addition to that, I put the links to all the other tools that we're about to go through down there also. Now, that next tool that I want to show you is actually going to be Nano Banana 2. It's Google Gemini's latest image model. And we can see right here that now if we come over into Gemini, I'm going to start a new chat and actually walk you through the process. You'll see Meet Nano Banana 2 down here. We can click on Try It, or we click on Create Image. So long as this is on fast right here, this is going to be using Nano Banana. We can see right here that there are tons of different styles that we could go through and we could choose from. For example, I'm going to put Sketch right here, and I'm going to put the New York City skyline. And then what this is actually going to do is this is going to do the New York City skyline in that style right there that I had selected. And if you wanted to, you could bring your own style and upload your own style in here. And what this is really known for, it is 1, how fast it is, 2, how high quality the images are, and 3, just how good this is with different text. Now we can see right here that this went through and created this. This looks incredible. This looks photorealistic. We have the New York City skyline right here, and it's on this napkin or this piece of paper, exactly how this was right here. And we could get this to do anything we want. For example, let's say that we had this thumbnail right here and we wanted to edit it. We could literally come over into Gemini right here. We could drop this in here and we could say, get rid of the timestamp in the bottom right hand corner and make the text say next Tesla. And then what this is actually going to do is we could pull this up right here while it's doing it. It's going to get rid of this timestamp right here, and it's going to change this text right here to say next Tesla. So we're able to actually create a YouTube thumbnail literally in just a few seconds by telling it in plain English exactly what we want changed from another thumbnail. And just like that, this went through and this did this, and it didn't change anything else about this thumbnail, which is crazy. Now, the third tool that I want to show you is actually going to be incredibly helpful whether you're using Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, it doesn't matter what LLM you're using. So if we come over into new chat, that tool that I'm talking about is going to be the My Prompt Buddy Chrome extension right here. We could see right here that we could choose what kind of prompt we actually want to optimize. Then we could put in our current prompt, we could put in our ideal output and click on optimize prompt, and this is going to give us a way better prompt. In addition to that, I really love this feature right here. We can actually have shortcuts here. So if you keep using the same prompts over and over again, you can now add them as a shortcut. You could pull up this Chrome extension. We could just grab it, put it in here, and boom, we have these prompts accessible whenever we want without having to go into our notes or find another chat where we used it. And the results that you're going to get when you do this are astonishing. For example, we're going to come over here, we're going to put in AI image, and we're just going to put in a basic prompt. For example, we are going to put a futuristic looking Ford GT that is based on the 2020 model. Now, ideal output, we're going to put hyper realistic photo of a car that looks totally futuristic, but is still based on the original. So we're going to click on optimize prompt right here and actually show this to you. I want to come over here. We're going to click on create image. We're going to put the original prompt right here. And then we're going to open up a new window and put this optimize prompt that we just got right here. And then we could just X out of this right here and we can actually see the difference here. So if we come over here, we could see that this is what this looks like right here. And my only qualm with this is this literally looks exactly like the regular Ford GT, but this has a bunch of lights on it. Now, because we used this super basic prompt right here. But if we come over here and we look at this way better prompt that we used right here, in fact, look at how much bigger it is. Look at how much better this actually created this. And guess what? This photo right here looks incredible compared to this photo right here because this actually looks super futuristic. It has more of a futuristic background. Even the lighting and everything looks insane. And the great part about this Chrome extension is it doesn't only work for images. It works for standard prompts, reasoning prompts, deep research, videos, and so much more. Now, that next AI tool that I want to show you is going to be MaxClaw right here by Minimax Labs. So if you come over into Minimax, which is typically just a model company, they now have MaxClaw right here. And what this actually allows you to do is this allows you to one-click install OpenClaw into your computer right here, and then you can get this to do anything that you want. For example, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to drop in this request right here. I am making a YouTube video with this title. Please find me 10 different tools people will love / use every day, but they don't know of right now. Don't give me super obvious things. And this is going to go off and do this. And this actually gives you full access to OpenClaw right here. And you can even set it up so that you can message it from WhatsApp, from Telegram, from Discord, from Slack. You could interact with your OpenClaw however you want. We could see that this is now going to go through and this is going to do this. We can also get this to automate out tasks. And one of the craziest parts about this is if we come over here and actually open this up in a new window, because I don't want to interrupt that while it runs, we could see Explore Experts right here. This gives you more than 10,000 different skills that you are going to be uploaded directly into your OpenClaw, and it will actually be able to do things. For example, you could get it to do lead gen autopilot, or you could get it to do tidy folder, or you could get it to do future mirror, or you could get it to do job hunter. And let's say we wanted to do something like YouTube titles. We could literally just come up here and look at this. There's skills for everything. And then we could download these skills directly into our MaxClaw. And now your OpenClaw instance is going to have the skill for that without you having to find it online and figure out how to tell it what to do. Now this has gone through and this has given me a bunch of different AI apps, tells me exactly what the pitch is, tells me what the use case is, goes through where I can actually access it right here. And this is awesome that this went through and found me all of these. And again, we could actually get this to do this on autopilot. You could get this to find leads for you. You could literally get this to do anything that you want. I have a full-length video on this on my channel if you wanted to check it out. And that final tool that I want to show you is actually something that Perplexity just dropped right here. So now when you come over to Perplexity, you're going to see computer right here. And if we click into this, this is basically their version of Claude Cowork or of OpenClaw. And basically what you could get this to do is anything that you want. We could see right here that they have tons of different live examples that I'm about to show you. They have connectors right here. So this can literally connect to all of these different tools and be able to automate things inside of it, which is insane. And they've added a lot of connectors in here. You could access all of your files right here from one place. You could see all the tasks that this is actually going through, and we could see example tasks here. For example, we could see right here that we could get this to create an interactive map of the United States showing geographic density and the impact of Doge layoffs. We could actually click on this and we could see the live example and see everything that it has done, everything that it has gone through and done, which is insane that it's doing all this. And you could get this to automate anything that you could do on a computer. Now, right now, this is only available for Mac users, as we can see right here, but they do let us see this example. So I'm going to click on skip right here. Then we could see that this went through and did all of this work. So this went through, this loaded up the relevant skills that it needed in order to complete this task. It went and researched the data it needed to build out this map, goes through, it does all of that. And then we could see right here that this actually went through and created this map, which we'll be able to actually interact with here. We'll be able to export right here. And this is pretty insane that this actually went through and this built this out, because you could use this in a report. You could use this as its own standalone website. This is pretty cool. It even cites all of its different sources and methodology down here and gives you a full report if we scroll all the way down here. You could literally get this to automate anything you're currently doing on a computer. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want to learn all about Gemini's other updates, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here where I walk through every one of them. I'll see you over there.